week's knockout hunting and outdoor adventures, I'm making my yearly retreat to the beautiful country of Argentina. I'm joined by the Argentina Bird Man, Roger Goldberg. We'll be shooting lots of pigeons, geese, and a whole bunch of doves. If you want to see lots of birds hit the ground, then be sure and stick around for this one.
Hickory Creek Archery, manufacturers of the Drawlock and the DL24 Compound Bow, presents Knockout Hunting Adventure.
From Saucier, Mississippi, Jerry Goff.
Dynamite Goldberg to extend his unbeaten string to 8 straight. The fight is slated for 10 rounds.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Knockout Hunting Adventures with your host and 4-time U.S. amateur heavyweight champion and former #1 ranked amateur heavyweight of the world, Jerry Goff. This is Knockout Hunting Adventures, hosted by the man who battled Mike Tyson, Evander Holyfield, and Lennox Lewis, Jerry Goff. Join host Jerry Goff as he introduces children, women, and handicapped hunters to the sport of archery. Join Jerry as he travels the world on his exciting adventures and get ready for Knockout Hunting Adventures.
Wow. We got a fine animal.
Knockout Hunting Adventures is brought to you by Magic Stop Archery, Bushland Camouflage, the Hunter Safety System, Tailor-Made Bowstrings, and Hickory Creek Archery's Drawlock and the amazing DL24 Compound Bow.
June is wintertime here in Argentina, and the geese have migrated from their summer grounds north to Buenos Aires province. The first morning, just after daybreak, the geese started flying into the field, one group after the other, perfect for shooting.
Double. Lucky but good.
Oh, God.
Oh, fantastic. Got another one. Look at this roll. Oh, my God. Fantastic.
I got that other one. Look at him. He can't hold fly.
Oh, he shot two.
My brother-in-law Don, a hardcore wing shooter, is doing the shooting. This was his first trip to Argentina and was blown away.
I'm freaking out. I swear to goodness, man, I am just
I told you.
having
You
a
didn't
nervous
believe me.
breakdown right here. God. This is too freaking fucking. Oh, gosh. Well, not as good as I wanted.
Oh, are you kidding? They were hot.
Yeah, that one's down too.
Good shot. That was perfect.
Well, I never even get to the shoulder. There it goes over your top. Over your head. Now they're coming from in front of them.
Oh my God, 4!
Unbelievable.
Oh my God! I'll never shoot again.
I got one. I got one.
Good shot. Good shot, man.
Man, is this crazy or what? Man, Roger, this is too. Look at them, they're just everywhere. Man, that's good. This is awesome. This is awesome. I'll lay back down. Get another one.
Shoot. Look at all the feathers.
Those two right there are hit. Both of those are hit. Look at this, isn't it amazing? Just one morning, there's geese scattered out everywhere, all on the ground. It's incredible. Incredible.
Here we have the 3 types of geese that they have in Argentina. This one is the Chilean. You'll notice the head is gray. Look at these beautiful wings. The next is a male Magellan. Very large, very heavy bird with a whitish head. And the last one is the female Magellan with the brown head. The Chilean is a little smaller than this female, plus the head is a little different color. That's how you tell the difference. They're beautiful birds. They're excellent eating. Everything that's shot in Argentina is given to the local people. We had it last night for dinner. It's delicious. Rancho Salvaje has a unique system in Argentina. We contract with maybe 20 ranches throughout Argentina, and each ranch specializes in a different type of hunting. For instance, in the goose area we have 2 or 3 ranches, and we move from ranch to ranch depending on the migration of the geese. In the duck area in Buenos Aires province, it's very critical to be where the ducks are. Certain times of the year the ducks are in one area because of the rainfall, etc. So it's very important to move around and try to find the best location for the hunters. Now in La Pampa we have just built a new facility that holds a large amount of hunters. It was built by a hunter for hunters. What that means is the accommodations are superior. Everything is set up for a hunter, a very relaxed atmosphere, and of course the food is fantastic.
Now our hunt is taking us 6 hours west-southwest of Buenos Aires, where we will be shooting doves and pigeons. Talk about get you going. Just imagine riding down a dirt road, looking at all of these birds flying over, and then having your guide say, "We're here." Got it. Got it. Damn. Shot 3 at one time. Shot 3 of them. It's hard to miss when there's this many going together. I had it a while ago. So many birds, it's really hard to get your mind set on one because there are so many. And just about the time you figure out, well, this is the one I want, another one swoops in front of that one and you'll try to shoot it instead, so it really messes your mind up on deciding which one to shoot. Boom. Got him? See? There he is, right there. Boom. It's amazing at how many birds are just, you know, I keep saying it, but they just coming back and forth. So you don't even worry about, all you do is you pick out a group coming a certain way. You don't worry about them coming from behind you. Like in the States where I've shot birds in the past, you'd have to worry about somebody hollering, hey, they come across the fence row behind you, and that's all that stuff. No one says anything, you just sit out here and shoot. That's what it's about here. I mean, it's just, because you don't, you know, you can't tell where they're going to come from. I mean, they're going to come from behind you just as much as they're coming from in front of you. So you just position yourself one way and you just shoot. That's all you do. Now, who says shooting birds isn't hard work?
If we don't stay in La Pampa, where the pigeons and doves are, we move for ducks into these beautiful, elaborate ranches with antiques, wooden floors, something to behold.
Roger's right. Here's a look around just one of 20 some odd ranches that Rancho Salvaje has got exclusive rights to.
This is our first morning here in the dove area. Yesterday we got the actual count of how many birds I shot. I shot 223 birds is what I shot in 2 hours. And that's pretty good for me because my percentage at the beginning was real low. Because I've had all that practice yesterday, I'm sure I'll do better. Got it? It's all right, huh? I'll tell you to show you just how many birds we shoot, when we pulled up to drop the other guys off, it was amazing at how many eagles and how many hawks were feeding on the birds that we couldn't find. Now, these guys make a really big effort to find every one of these birds, and what we do after we collect the birds, at the end of the shoot, we take them to the local town here, and we actually distribute them around to the poor people, and I tell you, they really appreciate it. And it makes you feel good to see how much they appreciate it and the service we're doing here. I mean, we're feeding it to the poor people, but yet we're able to delete some of the mass amounts of birds that are here that are just destroying all of these crops. Got it? There he goes. I got that one. He knows just about when I'm going to run out. You get that one?
Yeah.
Good. Quick as you can load. Or reload, I should say. Get another chance to shoot. It's pretty high, but I got him. Here comes some more right here. Ooh, I blew that one apart. I like them when they come in like that. Oh, shot behind him. Exterminator. Folks, you gotta take a look at this. In this bird, look at the corn that's falling out of this bird. Look at that. And that's one bird. Imagine how much all of these birds are consuming every day. That's amazing. It's just one bird. So you can see what a problem these doves are doing here. And because of the lack of hunting pressure here, it's, you know, it devastates the farmers. So we're doing a good deal for them, a good service. Pretty excited about that, along with having lots of fun. There's another one.
Now we've moved to the pigeon place, and now we're shooting pigeons. So I tell you, when you come here and hunt with Roger Goldberg and Rancho Salvaje, you can expect to be moved around quite a bit, but you're going to shoot lots and lots of birds. And that's what, if you're a hardcore bird hunter, this is the place to be. All the things you've heard about Argentina are absolutely 100% true. But you got to make sure you go with the right group. And the Argentina Bird Man, he's one to go with.
Good shot, good shot.
Thank you.
Terrific.
That dove.
Get over there, who there? You mean Jorge?
What you do? Hey,
That's what I'm talking about.
let's get them.
Argentina! You know, hunt the pigeons, the best way to do it is to get a few of them down. And as you get them, the more you get down, the more they'll decoy in. Right now we've got I'd say probably 50 to 75 pigeons out there. It's early in the afternoon, and we've already got that many. And now they're starting to really come in. And once you get those decoys down, everything works out great. Then they'll just keep coming in, and what they'll do is they'll just come in and they'll want to light where these decoys are, thinking that they're eating grain. And it makes it a little bit easier to shoot because the pigeons can fly fast and they fly high, so this is the best way to get them down. Good shot.
No more shells.
Roger ran out of
Hurry
shells,
up,
so I had
hurry
to take
up.
over for him.
Woo!
Woo! You busted his behind one. I had already shot him one time.
Folks, if you guys want more information on hunting here in Argentina, whether it be ducks, geese, doves, perdiz,
Big game.
red stag, the goats, all kind of stuff, and big hogs as well.
Big hogs.
You give Roger Goldberg a call, the Argentina Bird Man, and he will certainly hook you up. Hey, we'll see y'all next week for the exciting knockout hunting adventures.
If you'd like to contact me here at Knockout Hunting Adventures, go to www.kohunting.com and email me.
Thank you for joining Hickory Creek Archery's Knockout Hunting Adventures with Jerry Goff. And make sure to join us next week for more exciting action. Until then, happy hunting. Knockout Hunting Adventures is brought to you by the Hunter Safety System, Magic Stop Archery, Bushland Camouflage, Tailor-Made Bowstrings, Bow Buddy Archery, and Hickory Creek Archery's Draw Lock and the amazing DL24 Compound